This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. New to market, open house February 19th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Welcome to your tropical paradise retreat. This move-in ready home boasts a stunning mature landscape with lush tropical palms, enveloping a sparkling saltwater swimming pool and travertine tiled entertaining areas. Enjoy the serenity and privacy as you relax in your own little oasis. Inside, the open floor plan and spacious bedrooms offer comfort, with master bedroom private balcony overlooking designated conservation land to the west. Located just a short drive away from the vibrant nightlife and activities of Key West, this property seamlessly blends secluded relaxation with convenient access to entertainment and adventure. Don't miss this opportunity to make this unique setting yours. For more information, review the details below.